Finding a good photography mentor will accelerate your learning process like nothing else will. We've been sharing our knowledge with each other since the beginning of communication, and it's this accumulated knowledge and experience getting passed down that makes learning far more efficient and much more enjoyable. There's such value in a mentoring relationship that no other form of learning can really compete with. In our modern times, it's really easy to learn anything you want, from blogs and articles, from videos, from tutorials and courses. Everything is available as long as you've got an internet connection. But quite often, learning like this can be somewhat disjointed and disconnected. Learning regularly with someone who has a lifetime of experience in photography means that your learning experience will be more immersive and complete and not disjointed. And it means that you won't have to learn everything the hard way. You'll benefit from your mentor's years of experience and not have to make all the same mistakes. You'll be encouraged and challenged, and you'll have your questions answered. Your photography will certainly improve, and you'll have a clear idea of how your style is developing because you'll be getting regular feedback. I love being a photographer and sharing my knowledge and experience with those who want to learn through workshops and courses, particularly through my 365 Days of Photography course, because it's such a long project, but it's great to be able to see the progress of my students from month to month and the quality of their images improve, and their overall enjoyment of photography is just growing and growing with every month. But most of all, I enjoy mentoring because this gives me a connection with you, gives me a connection with my students and a personal relationship as your images develop and as your style will develop, as your understanding grows. It's really exciting to be able to continue to build into this and identify areas where you are going to best thrive and other areas that you need more encouragement in that maybe is going to be a little bit more difficult. And that's where the encouragement and the focused teaching that mentoring provides is really valuable. So please check out my Buy Me a Coffee page where you can support me and you can learn about the different options that I have for my photography mentorship program and which one will suit you the best.